Crash course on Costa Rica, culture and history. Costa Rica is a vibrant country with a rich cultural heritage and a fascinating history. From its indigenous roots to its colonial past and modern-day traditions, Costa Rica's culture and history have shaped its identity and captivated the world. In this crash course, we'll explore the unique aspects of Costa Rican culture, share interesting stories and examples, list and describe the top 12 cultural and historical events, and conclude with a poetic journey and a melodic song dedicated to this topic. Costa Rican culture is a beautiful tapestry woven with diverse influences, blending indigenous traditions, Spanish colonial heritage, and contemporary expressions. The country takes pride in its peaceful nature, friendly people, and commitment to environmental conservation. Pura Vida is a phrase commonly used in Costa Rica, meaning pure life or simple life, reflecting the country's laid-back and positive outlook. One captivating story that showcases the essence of Costa Rican culture revolves around the indigenous Bribri community. The Bribri people are one of the 8 indigenous groups in Costa Rica, residing in the Talamanca region. They have preserved their ancestral traditions and spiritual practices, living in harmony with nature. Visitors can engage in cultural exchanges, learning about their crafts, medicinal plants, and the importance of sustainable living. Another fascinating example is the historical event known as the abolition of the army. In 1948, Costa Rica abolished its standing army, becoming one of the few countries in the world to do so. This decision solidified Costa Rica's commitment to peace, allowing the nation to invest in education, healthcare, and environmental protection. The absence of a military presence has contributed to the country's stability and reputation as a peaceful haven. Now, let's delve into the top 12 cultural and historical events in Costa Rica, each representing a significant moment in the country's heritage. 1. Día de la Independencia, Independence Day, celebrated on September 15. This event commemorates Costa Rica's independence from Spain in 1821. Festivities include parades, dances, traditional costumes, and the torch run symbolizing the freedom flame. 2. Fiesta de los Diablitos, Festival of the Little Devils, held in the Boca Indigenous Reserve in January. This vibrant festival reenacts the ancestral struggle between the indigenous people and Spanish conquistadors through music, dance, and elaborate masks. 3. Semana Santa, Holy Week, Costa Rica's largest religious celebration takes place during Holy Week, preceding Easter. Processions, reenactments of biblical scenes, and religious ceremonies are held throughout the country. 4. El Tope Nacional, National Horse Parade, a highlight of the Christmas season. This colorful parade showcases Costa Rica's equestrian culture. Thousands of horses and riders gather in San Jose to parade through the streets. 5. Fiestas de Zapote, held in late December and early January. This fair in San Jose features traditional bullfights, amusement rides, food stalls, and live music, attracting locals and tourists alike. 6. Carnival in Limon, taking place in October. This vibrant event celebrates the Afro-Caribbean culture of the Limon province. Colorful parades, music, dance, and Caribbean cuisine highlight the festivities. 7. Oxcart Parade, the traditional oxcart, adorned with intricate hand-painted designs, holds a significant place in Costa Rican culture. The Oxcart Parade in San Jose showcases these vibrant carts and their skilled drivers. 8. Indigenous Arts and Crafts Market. Throughout the year, various indigenous communities organize arts and crafts markets where visitors can appreciate and purchase traditional handmade crafts, such as woven baskets, masks, and pottery. 9. Day of the Annexation of Nicoya, celebrated on July 25. This event commemorates the annexation of the Nicoya Peninsula to Costa Rica in 1824. Festivals, parades, and cultural activities take place in Nicoya and surrounding towns. 10. Coffee Harvest Celebrations. As a leading producer of high-quality coffee, Costa Rica celebrates its coffee harvest season with festivals that include coffee tastings, exhibitions, and cultural events showcasing the importance of coffee in the country's history and economy. 11. Marimba music and dance. The marimba, a traditional musical instrument, holds a special place in Costa Rican culture. Performances of marimba music and traditional dances can be experienced at cultural centers and festivals across the country. 12. National Theater of Costa Rica, a symbol of national pride and architectural beauty. The National Theater in San Jose hosts performances of opera, ballet, and theater productions. It is an iconic cultural venue that showcases the country's artistic talent. Summarizing this crash course on Costa Rican culture and history, we've explored the vibrant aspects of the country's identity, shared captivating stories, and listed the top 12 cultural and historical events that represent Costa Rica's rich heritage. From independence celebrations to indigenous festivals and artistic expressions, these events provide a glimpse into the heart and soul of the nation. And now, as promised, let's conclude with a poetic journey and a melodic song dedicated to the culture and history of Costa Rica. Poem. In the land of Pura Vida, where culture thrives. Costa Rica's heritage, a story that survives. From indigenous traditions, ancient and true, to colonial echoes and a vibrant worldview. Bribery's wisdom, deep in Talamanca's embrace, teaches respect for nature, a sacred space. The abolishment of the army, a courageous stand. Costa Rica's commitment to peace, a united land. Independence Day, a celebration so grand. Flags wave proudly, in every corner of the land. Fiestas de los Diablitos, dances of old, where spirits of the ancestors are proudly bold. Semana Santa, a time of reflection and grace. Holy Week's rituals, a sacred embrace. El Tope Nacional, horses in their might, guiding the Christmas spirit through the night. Carnival in Limon, Afro-Caribbean delight. Colors and rhythms, under the moonlight. Oxcart's parade, with vibrant designs, carrying the history of Costa Rica's signs. Arts and crafts markets, treasures untold. Indigenous talents, their stories unfold. Nicoya's annexation, a historical mark. Unity and pride, celebrated in the dark. Coffee harvest celebrations, aroma in the air. Costa Rica's nectar, the beans we share. Marimba's melodies, dancing with delight, echoing through the day and into the night. National Theater's grace, a cultural crown, where artistry and passion, the world does astound. Costa Rica's heritage, a treasure so rare, embracing diversity, with love and care. Song. Verse 1. In the heart of Costa Rica, a culture rich and grand. A tapestry of history, across this vibrant land. From indigenous traditions to colonial legacy, our heritage unites us, a nation strong and free. Chorus. Oh, Costa Rica, a land of culture and grace, where stories come alive, in every time and place. Through festivals and dances, we proudly sing our song. Costa Rica's heritage, forever will belong. Verse 2. Independence Day's celebration, our freedom shines so bright. Fiestas de los Diablitos, spirits dance in the night. Semana Santa's solemnity, a time of deep reflection. El Tope Nacional, horses' proud connection. Chorus. Oh, Costa Rica, a land of culture and grace, where stories come alive, in every time and place. Through festivals and dances, we proudly sing our song. Costa Rica's heritage, forever will belong. Bridge. From Carnival in Limon to Oxcart's vibrant hues. Nicoya's annexation, the unity we choose. Coffee's golden harvest, marimba's joyful sound. National Theater's splendor, our artistic ground. Chorus. Oh, Costa Rica, a land of culture and grace, where stories come alive, in every time and place. Through festivals and dances, we proudly sing our song. Costa Rica's heritage, forever will belong. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.